Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel All About Electronics. So in this question, we have been given this transistor circuit and we have been asked to find the current through the LED. Now the first thing, if you see over here, this is the PNP transistor, because over here the current is entering into the transistor. So here, this is the emitter terminal, this is the collector terminal and this is the base terminal. So for the PNP transistor, if it is operating in the active region, then the emitter base junction will be forward biased. So here, this voltage VEB is equal to 0.7 volt. And here, between these 2 points, this Zener diode of 6.2 volt is connected. So here, this current will be the emitter current, while the current which is flowing through this LED is equal to the collector current. So basically, we need to find this collector current. And here, as the value of beta is very high, so we can say that this collector current is approximately equal to emitter current. So if we find this emitter current, then we can find the current which is flowing through the LED. And to find this emitter current, let us apply the KVL equation in this particular loop. So applying the KVL equation, we can write 6.2 volt minus IE times RE minus VEB, that is equal to 0. Now here this emitter resistor is equal to 200 ohm and the voltage VEB is equal to 0.7 volt. That means we can say that 6.2 volt minus 0.7 volt is equal to IE times 200 ohm. That means emitter current IE is equal to 5.5 volt divided by 200 ohm, that is equal to 27.5 milliampere. And approximately the same current will also flow through the LED. That means this collector current IC is also approximately equal to 27.5 milliampere. So we can say that the current which is flowing through the LED is equal to 27.5 milliampere.